definitely off that we would have to get this right, and that we set out to get it right. So we collaborated with with BBC Wales, of course, and we made contact early on and said, can you help us get this right, because we knew it was important. And we've just been on the receiving end of the benefit of it, which is actually out there in the arena. I think there's a sense that people are, give us respect that we've done it, and we gave respect by taking it seriously. And then the topping on the cake was Ali's dad, who's got he's got the best, most, like, he should do kind of nursery rhymes or children's bedtime stories, because you kind of feel rather kind of sleepy when you hear his beautiful voice. And he's not talked about necessarily about politics or economics. He's talked about shepherd's pie, which I think is kind of right. So it's been fantastic, and I think it's a challenge to get it right. But we did really, really try hard everywhere. Signage, invitations, the lot, right the way through. We've tried to get it right, and I think most people think that we've done it as pretty well. I'm pleased we have.
Great. Finally, then, who are your favourites outside this radio?
Well, okay, but I'm not allowed to have any favourites.
No.
Okay, but I would say.
Or any highlights from this festival?
Well, the highlights for me, I mean, it's tiny, the surgery tent, but there are 20 guitars, and 20 kids got hold of the guitars and were taught a Biffy Clyro hit song. And then at the end they say, here's Biffy Clyro to come out and play it with you. And the look on the faces of these 20 kids when actually, two key guys from Biffy Clyro tip out and play the hit song with them is a kind of moment of joy. If I could have grabbed a guitar, I would have done, but there wasn't one left. So that was a highlight. Just in terms of the artists, down on the New Music Week stage, I just watched Kids in Glass Houses, with the Saturdays coming and duetting in it, which was quite a kind of double take, which was great. And Dev, our early morning DJ, kind of played Jump by Van Halen with them for their last song. So all kinds of strange kind of musical things happen. And one of my favourite bands of all time is Pendulum, and they'll be playing the main stage later. So that will be loud.
With a Welsh guitarist, of course, so we're going to go find it.
Okay, thank you so much. That's good.
Anyone else?
Anybody else?
Just about the Fringe Festival, seems to be on a greater scale this year than it's done